When analyzing data within a Qlik Cloud app, you can identify insights you want to keep track of and have them featured in the Qlik Cloud Analytics Activity Center without opening any apps. To do this, right-click a visualization and select Monitor in Activity Center. Optionally, select Keep this view fixed to lock the zoom and scroll position in the monitor chart to the current view. Select the destination space and optionally edit the name of the visualization and add tags to it. When done, click Monitor. The monitored visualization retains your selections and refreshes automatically whenever the data reloads. The visualization will now appear in your Activity Center home or in your catalog under the Charts section. When you open a monitor chart, it displays the latest version of the visualization from the most recent data reload in the source app. Selections displays the selections that were applied to the chart when you added it to your Activity Center. You cannot make new selections in the chart. You can view the chart, its details, and its history. You can open the chart in the source app by clicking View in Application, which opens the chart with selections applied. When opening a visualization created earlier that has undergone one or more data reloads, you can view previous versions. New versions are added each day the source app reloads. If a version already exists for that date, it's updated with the latest data. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.